Hey, piano enthusiasts! Ready to tickle those ivories and become a piano legend? Click the link in the description below to unlock your special offer on a lifetime subscription to Skoove Premium. Let me introduce you to the game changer in piano learning, Skoove. Whether you're a total newbie or an advanced player looking to flex those fingers, Skoove has got you covered. I know what you're thinking. Why Skoove? Well, imagine having a piano teacher that's available 24/7, gives you real-time feedback, and never judges you for playing chopsticks repeatedly. Yep, that's Skoove for you. With Skoove, you get to learn at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. Sitting in a doctor's waiting room? Why not learn a few chords? Bored on a long train ride? How about mastering Beethoven's Für Elise? Skoove's AI-powered lessons are like having a personal coach that's always cheering you on. It listens to you play and gives instant feedback. It's like having a musical best friend who's always got your back. And guess what? Skoove's got a massive library of songs across all genres. Want to play pop hits, classic rock? Or how about some soul-soothing classical pieces? You name it, Skoove's got it. Oh, and did I mention it's compatible with any piano or keyboard? Yep, you can use the grand piano in your living room or that dusty old keyboard in the attic. Skoove works with them all. Now let's talk about the real magic, the personalized learning experience. Skoove tailors your lessons based on your progress. No more boring, one-size-fits-all lessons. You learn what you love at your own pace. And for all my fellow tech lovers out there, Skoove is accessible on multiple devices. Whether you're on a computer, tablet, or smartphone, you can keep the music going wherever you are. But don't just take my word for it. Thousands of users praise Skoove for its user-friendly interface, engaging lessons, and the sheer joy of playing the piano. So, if you're tired of traditional, expensive piano lessons and ready to unlock your inner pianist, Skoove is your ticket to musical greatness. Click the link in the description below to get your special offer on a lifetime subscription to Skoove Premium. Yes, you heard it right, lifetime access. Say goodbye to boring lessons and hello to a fun, personalized piano journey with Skoove. Start your musical adventure today and become the piano hero you were always meant to be. Don't wait, click that link now and let the music begin. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Happy playing!